Hi there. Today I will show you how to use the SEO tools to rise your product's ranking in the TpT search results. I already have a store on the TpT marketplace and I want to check my ranking in the search results, for example for the keyword maths. I open the SEO tools web service and enter my TpT store URL in the first field. In the second field, I type a keyword maths. I suppose my customers will type looking for my product and enter the maths keyword. Search, wait a bit, great, we don't have good results. Our store SEO position is on 69. Okay, it's time for you to register on our web service SEO.tools and check your own product's ranking. To do this, follow the link. Create new account. Type name, type email, type your TpT store URL and password twice, click register, great. Now you can log in to dashboard, type email, type password. Click login, well done. Click how to start button and click first step, add a keyword. Type the keyword maths and click search. Click add this keyword for monitoring, great. Click tools and click monitoring, well, today your position is 69. Now we begin to promote our product to the top in the search results. How to do it? Very simple. To do this, you need to rebuild from competitors. So, we are in 69th place in the search results. Let's analyze those who got on the first page of the TpT. We enter our keyword maths and make a search. Here they are, these 24 products that made it to the first page. We take the first one and paste the link into the product analyzer. We look at what keywords and combinations of words our lucky competitor used. See how many external links he used. Fabulous. Next, we add these words and combinations of words to the description of our product on TpT. We also add external links. We analyzed the first 20 products, adding and changing the description of our product to TpT. Great. You have done a very important job. Now we are waiting for the TpT search engine to notice your changes. To improve our position, we will change the description of our product to TpT. Well, we check our position a few days later, great, it's much better than 69. Isn't it? Awesome.